Hi, to customize your home screen style, as a first step, just press and hold any free space on the screen till you see those suggested options. We can select this first icon and we got here wallpapers, so you can select any from the list. Tap it like that and now you can immediately apply it either to the lock screen, home screen or both. Let's select both. Here we can turn off wallpaper mix or just keep on. I'm gonna turn it off and now wallpaper is applied, so this is how it looks. Now let's press and hold it again and here we got a widgets tab. So you can select any widget from the list, for example the security cleaner, just add it to your home page. You can press and hold it and move it to the second page or to the third page. Let's just try this out. Just drag it to the second or to the third like that. I'm gonna leave it on the first, somewhere here. And now to save it, just press this check mark and here you can clean up some trash you got. So just tap it to open, wait a bit, and now you have this option clean up some space. So let's do it. And now after that you would see the step, everything looks good. So now we can also press and hold the home page again, just like this. And we can remove this top widget, for example. Just tap the button remove and now it's gone. And after that we can select the settings icon, go in the more section, and for the home screen select with app drawer because it is more comfortable that way. And now you just need to swipe up to check all of your apps, and on the top of the screen you can see those categories, just like this. To add any app from the drawer to your home page, just simply hold it like that and drag it onto your home screen like this and drop it somewhere here. Great! And the last one is themes, so just find and open this themes app. Wait a couple of seconds till it is loading and now you can select new theme for your phone. For example, let's choose this one and now we can download it by tapping this button, and after that we'll be able to customize it. For example, select lock screen as well, home screen, icons and system, and immediately apply. So let's wait till it's loading and now this theme applied, so let's check it. And this is the new screen of your phone. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.